Hey everyone, this is Jacob and I'm here to demonstrate the new share features of the Ultimate Screenshot tool. So let's get started. First, we can take a few screenshots and we could upload those to Imgur and share that link on a variety of platforms. Or on iOS and Android, we could use a share sheet and share those images directly, but let's do something a little different. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload that last image we took to my server. So looks like that's already done. So this image here, you can copy that media URL, and voila, that's exactly what we see. This image is what you see framed within this Polaroid. So now that our image is uploaded somewhere, let's go ahead and share it. And how I'm going to share it is with this custom URL. And that actually passes my image to my website, and I'll tell you why I'm doing that in a second. But we wouldn't have to do that. We could just share the regular image URL if we wanted to, but this is a kind of cool feature that I want to show you guys. Alright, so that's all set. So now let's go ahead and click Share to Twitter. So it's got some text here, and there's some hashtags here as well, and those are just pulled from what's already specified in the window. But then if we share this, it's pretty cool. What's going to happen is we get the image, this image here that we uploaded is going to show up right in our preview, but instead of just displaying the image, since I passed that image as a parameter to the link I wanted to share, we can actually just click the image and go directly to the game. So not only can you share the image, but you can also share it within a link. And as you can see, that just opens up straight to the demo. So I think that's a pretty cool method of sharing. It does take a little bit of server setup to take a passed-in image and use it for your Open Graph data. But that's one of the more customized things you could do. Instead, if you wanted to, we could just upload an Imgur, and now that that's done, so upload the Imgur, copy that. We can see now it's hosted on Imgur, and we could share the Imgur link to all sorts of places here, and you could even create a custom place to share it if you want. And there's just a whole lot of power to this tool, and it makes things super simple. So instead of it kind of being a hassle to do all that marketing and stuff last minute, this makes it super easy. I can just take a screenshot, upload it to my server, and share to Reddit. Instead of that being a huge whole hassle that you gotta schedule at once, you can just take a few seconds to share things out, make marketing really easy, and go right back to game development. So yeah, I think it's pretty great, and it's one of the many features of the Ultimate Screenshot tool. So I hope you'll check it out.